Hello, welcome again. In this simple graphic design tutorial, I am going to show you how to design and animate your videos, your pictures with Canva. If you don't know about Canva, Canva is the #1 graphic design online platform in the world, and it has and houses several types of graphic design platforms, of which you can use it for several different options. You can either use it for your digital marketing, you can use it for your content creation, you can use it for your websites, you can even use it for your social media marketing and more. So basically, I am going to show us how to animate with Canva with these simple and easy steps. So the first thing you have to do is to sign up if you are new in Canva, or if you have already signed up before, you just sign in, and once you sign in, you'll be taken to this platform. And if you're viewing at this stage while I'm viewing, then you should see the same login options here. So once you go here, the next thing you do is to click on create a design. Okay, once you click on create a design, you see different options, but majorly we are going to focus on videos. Okay, so you click on videos. So when you click on videos, it will take you to the next option where you can select from different ranges of videos. Okay, like I said, you can use it if they have pre-made templates of which you can use and edit, or you can start from afresh. So if you want to start from afresh and upload your own video, you simply go to upload the video and add it here. Automatically you will start using. But for this video, I'm going to give us a simple reference of a particular video from the template. Like I said, you can choose from different type of video by searching on the search bar here. You can see this is video ad, Facebook video ad, this is Instagram. Okay, once you click on Facebook video ad, it will show you all information about Facebook. So if you come back here and type on Instagram, you also see Instagram either for promotions or for normal Instagram. So Instagram videos, you click on it, automatically it will show you different type of Instagram video with customized aspect ratio and sizes, okay, of which you can pick and edit with whichever way you want. Okay, same thing for Twitter. So once you type Twitter, you see it here to come up, so you can click on it and you see different videos for Twitter. Okay, so for this tutorial, I am going to use the general option. Okay, and the two videos I'm going to use, of which if you have seen my blog on my site, if you have not done that, just go and check it out. There I also explain step by step on how this was also done. Okay, I also attach the description here. You can click on it and you can go and read that blog. Okay, but for the time frame, we are going to select a template here. Okay, I use this template. So once you click on it, the template enters. Okay, so once the template is here, you can customize each of these tests. Okay, you can customize each of these tests by clicking on it. Once you click on it, the text will now be highlighted and automatically you highlight it. So you just click on any of the tests and edit it. Let me show you a rundown of the design I did. So if you see, let me add it up. See, this was the same type of design I did. Let me play it so that you see exactly what was done. Okay, this can also be customized. I can change the color to red, as you can see. I can change this to blue. Okay, so you can also, I want to also show you that you can also change the effect of this. So let me say I want to change this effect. I click on it. You have different types of effect. Okay, the text effect. Okay, as you're going, it will be changing. Okay, let's go with this one. Okay, let's come back to this. So to change this customization, like to animate this text now, you simply select it. Okay, let me select it. Once it's selected, you go to boost. So you scroll down. So here you see the different types of animation that you want, how you want the text to come in. Okay, you can see how you want it to come in. You can focus on a particular text. Okay, let's say we want it to swift in. You can see that style. This you want it to fly in. So we want this to roll. Let's say we want it to roll in. I think I can go with the roll. I love the rolling. So also you can customize a different type of the text. So let me change this color. Okay, like I easily said, to change the color, these are the basic customization of which you can just select any type of font, either the font itself. Okay, so these ones with stars are for the paid ones. Okay, while these ones are for the free ones. So I think we have quite a number of them. You don't need to worry about uh, getting paid or subscribing to the premium version for a start. Okay, you can increase the size here. You can increase or decrease the size here. Okay, and also you can change the color. Like I said, you can make it bold for those that need bold and change some of these things. So after the customizations, once you're done, the next thing is to share your design or your videos. To share, you simply click on share here. So once you click on share, you see different options. Okay, the first one you can download directly to your computer. Okay, or you can share to social media. You can still click on this more and you see other places that you can share. You can share to your Facebook page, your Instagram page, your Twitter, your Facebook group. You can embed. Okay, you have different options and lots of things to do with it once you have finished customizing. So let's go back. So once you click on download, it will give you the suggestions either to download as JPEG, MP4, PDF standard, or PDF print. SVG is for premium users. Okay, why MP4 is the most suggested. Okay, so once you're okay with the MP4, you just select it and click on download. Let me go back and add it up here. Okay, I've already downloaded it before, that's why this is shown. Okay, but for yours it will just show here and you click on download. Once you click on download, automatically it will just download to your computer. So guys, I believe you must have learned something from this video. If you like this video, please I will kindly like you to subscribe to my channel and also comment, so that when next I hit the like button also, so that when next I post videos that around making money or designs, website development and designs, you will be the first to get it. Until then, see you later.